Let's make some delicious pumpkin spice pancakes. Of course, we cannot forget our homemade cinnamon butter. It's autumn, it's October, and of course, it's pumpkin season. So let me show you how I made this. In this bowl, I have 2 cups of flour. I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon clove, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. Now I'm going to give this a quick whisk. Setting this aside, in this other bowl, I have 1.5 cups of whole milk, 2 eggs, half cup of oil. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon pumpkin spice extract, and 1 cup of pumpkin puree. I'm going to whisk this together, and once it is all mixed in, I'm going to be adding in the dry ingredients. And I'm going to whisk that together. I like my pancakes to be on the orange side, more like a pumpkin. So I did add in 2 drops of orange food coloring. That is optional. You don't have to add it. Making sure that I scrape down the sides of my bowl. Now you can leave it as is, but because I like my pancakes more on the fluffier side, the thicker side, I'm adding in 1/4 cup more of flour. Going to mix that in. And this is how I like my pancake batter. I have my heat at a low, and I'm just going to be adding some batter to my comal. I do like to cover my batter because I feel that it cooks faster and I get fluffier pancakes. I cook on one side for 2 minutes, flip it over, and on the other side for an additional 2 minutes or 2.5, and that's it. The pancakes are done. I'm just going to show you one more time. Flip it over, wait about 2.5 minutes. And this is what my pancakes look like. So delicious, amazing, wow. Now let's move on to the cinnamon butter. This is only a few ingredients. You're going to need 1 stick of softened butter, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, and 3 tablespoons of honey. And that is it. And you're just going to whisk that together. Delicious cinnamon butter, yummy. You could put it in the fridge if it is too soft, and then it is ready for use. So now let's get our pancakes ready to serve. Adding the cinnamon butter on top. And I am using a store-bought pumpkin spice syrup. Feel free to make your own. And look how amazingly delicious these pumpkin spice pancakes look. With that cinnamon butter. Wow. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you make these pancakes because they are truly, truly delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Like and share and leave a nice comment. See you next time.